Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear 10th class, how are you? Dear 10th class, today we will discuss the trigonometric word problems of exercise 7.5 from PTP book Bahawalpur board. According to this, dear students, with the help of trigonometric word problems, we can find the methodology and the procedure to find the height or the angles which are very far of the objects which are very far away for us, and it is approximately near about impossible for us to find that height. So with the help of trigonometry we can find easily the height and the angles between the objects. There are two angles are involved. First angle is angle of elevation and angle of depression. In our today's lecture we will discuss about the angle of elevation. Angle of elevation means the angle which makes the angle between the observer eye and the object in such a way that the object is placed on the height. Okay, means whenever the observer look upward, then the angle makes the angle of elevation. Now move to question number 4. The base of the rectangle is 25 feet and its height is 13 feet. Find the angle that the diagonal of the rectangle makes with base. According to this question, we have first thing is that we have the rectangle. So draw the rectangle, and rectangle is a side in which all the opposite sides are the equal in measurements, and all the angles must be equals to right angles, means the angle of 90. Write the measurement of base and measurement of height according to the question. And now we will find the angle. Find the angle that the diagonal means the side, the line which join the opposite vertex of the shape. Diagonal actually is a line segment which join the opposite vertex of any shape, a quadrilateral. This is a diagonal AC. AC is the diagonal of this rectangle. Whenever we will draw the diagonal of the quadrilateral, means rectangle and square, then we can get two right angle triangles. First right angle triangle is ABC and second right angle triangle is ADC. Ignore this triangle, focus on this triangle. According to this triangle, we have the value of the base which is equals to 25 feet. Angle theta is missing. We will find this angle theta, and the value of the perpendicular is the side which is opposite to the angle and which are under discussion. This is the perpendicular, and the height of the perpendicular is 13 feet. And we will find the angle of elevation of diagonal with the base of the rectangle according to the question. Okay, dear students, now we have the values of perpendicular and base, and you know that our trigonometric ratio tan theta help us to find the value of this one. So write the tan theta which is equals to perpendicular over base. Put the values. Perpendicular is 13 feet and base is 25 feet. So by putting the values of 13 by 25, we will find 13 by 25. And since we are going to find the angle, so we will take the inverse of tan on both sides in such a way that we have theta is equals to tan inverse, and 13 divided by 25 means 0.52. Whenever we will take tan inverse of 0.52 from with the help of the calculator, then we can get the value of the theta which is 27.47 degree. Means 27.47 degree is the value of the angle of elevation which the diagonal makes with the base. This is the answer. Move to question number 8. A road is inclined at an angle 5.7 degree. First thing is that there is a road. This is a road which is inclined. Inclined means slope. Okay, slope, hypotenuse. And suppose that we drive 2 miles up to this road. Means we will starting from this, there is the sea level, base of sea level, and this is a road. And if we will find, for example, we will drive 2 miles up on this road, then how high above the sea level are we? Then we will, if we will stop our car here and then we will find that how much the height of this point from the sea level. Remember that this is the sea level, okay, AB. You will draw the right angle triangle in such a way that AB is the sea level. The angle which is given of the road to the sea level is 5.7 degree, and the measurement of the road 2 miles, and we will find the height of the base of the sea level from that particular point where we have stopped our car. Okay, dear students, hypotenuse is 2 miles and angle is 5.7 degree, and we will find the height. So the triangle, so that the trigonometric ratio which help us, that is a sine theta. Sine theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse. Since we are going to find the value of perpendicular means height, so first of all we will put the values of the things which are given. Value of the theta is 5.7 degree and the height is missing, and the value of the hypotenuse is 2. So dear students, find the sine theta, sine 5.7 degree from the calculator and write it. This is 0.099 equals to h by 2. So my dear students, first we will put here value of the 0.99. Okay, my dear students, we will put here 0.99 like this. 0.099, and when we will take the we will multiply this value by 2, we will find the value of height or the perpendicular, which is 0.1986 miles. Since this unit is miles, so we will write the answer in miles.